Okay, first pull. God damn! Oh shit! So, it happened. They blew a head gasket. God. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. Got my girl Bradley helping me film. Cause we finally putting this thing on low tech. That's right, E85. Your boy's got 10 gallons going in right now. We're gonna flash the tune and hope for the best. Hope you guys are doing great. We're blessed to see another day. Oh, and by the way, we're in our new garage. It's finally finished. So, hope you guys like it. I'm gonna show you the process it took to get here. We'll drop a little montage in while I'm filling this bad boy up, and we'll check back in with you as soon as we got the corn in here.
Flashback.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? If you notice, we're under my carport right now, and that is because we are underway on something super dope, super excited for. People get excited, you know, most of the YouTube people you watch have big giant shops and shit. I'm getting excited for an oversized single bay garage. We're gonna close in the carport, as you see. We're closing the carport, put a nice little garage door in right here. We'll have somewhere nice to be out of the weather to work on the Subaru. It's gonna be so much room for activities. You know, give it time. It's just like a car. Any house projects, they take time. That's my neighbor's old ass ugly Mustang. Thing's been sitting forever. I don't think it's gonna do nothing with it. So I am super hyped to get this project started, guys. Alrighty, guys, day 2. Take a look at the progress. Just got home. Looks like they done got the outside of the wall up. Tyvek on there. Super freaking hype. And it ain't exactly car related, but we're gonna bring a lot of content to you guys in this garage, I'm sure. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she's not all the way in the garage because you know they got stuff in the way. But you know, just introducing her, acclimating her to a new home. You guys have enjoyed the video so far? Thumbs up button. Like I said, I don't know where this is going to end up. I might throw it with some car stuff. I might throw it on there just because I want to share my life with you guys, especially on the boss cars. Either way, if you've enjoyed it, thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and we will check back in with you guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again in the soon-to-be new garage. As you can tell, they started drywalling. So we are making more and more progress. Still waiting on the garage door to show up, but...
End of flashback.
We got the elote in the gas tank. We'll give you a quick tour of the garage, and then we will upload the tune. What y'all think about that? Hope y'all enjoying it. There's my beautiful Princess Briley.
Hey guys.
Sitting next to our new shop fan, because you know it'd be hot.
Yep.
Oh, ignore all the nice IAG blocks. Oh, IAG block. Oh, I gave it away. We got us an IAG 750 short block. Stuff to refresh the heads. Competition oil pan. Koyo rad radiator. We about to do some big things with the Subi. We about to do it, y'all. I told y'all this winter the plan was put a built engine in here, and that's what we're gonna do. Now we got some more stuff coming. We got some IAG headers on order, some little bit bigger injectors. I'm torn between pushing the 20G as far as it'll go and have it ultra reliable with the 750 closed deck block, or try to get a little bit bigger turbo. I don't know if I want to stay in the stock, aka slow location turbo sizes, or do I want to go ahead and bite the bullet and go rotated. I don't know. I kind of like the sleeper look at the stock location. Might just go with a little bit bigger turbo. Might push the 20G far as it'll go for a while. Save up for a rotated kit. Either way, we're getting ready to try and make some sauce. But for now, we're still in the same setup we had. The Detroit 1000cc injectors, 340 liter per hour fuel pump, Cobb 20G. The only difference is now we're going from pump 93 to flex fuel. So, gonna flash the map, start her up and see how it goes. Back to the tour though. Sorry, I got sidetracked showing y'all the new goodies over there. But, you know, we got everything organized. We got the shelf for the Subarus, shelf for the GTI, this shelf for the dailies, and this old toolbox I'm gonna give to my little boy because he wants a new toolbox. You got my toolboxes here. You know, my Vanna White right there showing it out. Got some cabinets, you know, everything's all nice and organized now. I like it. But, you know, like I said, I dropped the montage to see how we got here. I'm super hyped, super excited. I hope you guys are as well. We have somewhere we can actually work on our cars on the regular. It's nice, it's bright, and there's plenty of room. Like you see, I mean, you got all the toolboxes and everything here. All this space, there's room behind it. And I can't go too wide, but we can go too deep, so we'll make it happen. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab the access port out the house and meet y'all back in the car. All right, got the new map uploaded and, well, uploaded onto the access port. We're getting ready to upload it onto the car now. Change ECU map. ECU reflash. Stratified E85 tune V1. Let's get it. Alrighty. While that's doing its thing, I won't make you guys watch. We'll check back in when we fire it up. Okay guys, we're getting ready to fire it up. Say a prayer. Oh, she fired right up. Let's go. First fire up on that ethanol, baby. Super excited. Let me go ahead and pop his garage door open so we don't, you know, like kill ourselves. I got the fan pushing it out, so it ain't too bad, but got the first start on ethanol. Is she running good? Super excited. Cannot wait. Look at my beautiful princess right there, hanging out with me on this late night. She lucky she getting to hang out late tonight because they go back to school soon and we gotta start going to bed early. But it's a Friday night, so we partying with Daddy, ain't that right? Alrighty, we're gonna let her warm up. I'm gonna get a data log for Alex of it idling. Then we'll get a cruise log, a map calibration log, and if everything's running right, we're gonna do a pool, baby. Let's go! Having my own garage is so cool. I've always wanted one. Now I have one. Yay. Okay, so right now we're gonna get the MAF calibration log, which is a slow climb from 2500 to 6500. Do a first through fifth gear cruising log just to see how everything's, you know, daily drivability type shit. Okay, first pull. God damn! Oh shit! I wasn't ready for it, boys. I wasn't ready for it. Yeah. Smell like a latte. I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was definitely impressed with the first pull for sure. Brought to you by the streets of Mexico, by the way. We got a tunnel. We gotta see if we can't get it to pop. I love it. I love it. I bet that shot a good flame. Woo! God, dude, why could we not have E85 freaking forever ago in the area, man? Like, the difference is night and day. And I was tripping when I watched a video back about the first pull and I saw the AFR 11.5 to 12. I was like, oh, that look a little lean, you know, because your peasant boys used to that pump gas. I googled that shit and it said 11.5 to 12 is good for good for AFR for E85, so let's go, Alex. Get these logs sent to Alex. We'll get the next revision, and man, I can only imagine what we're gonna be able to do with a little bit bigger injectors and a freaking closed deck block. Should be able to take all the beating. The boost definitely feels like it comes on a lot sooner with the, you know, with the flex fuel or E75, E85, whatever it is. The tunes for E75, because that seems to be about what our sheets has at E75. The homie Brenda stopped by and tested it for me through his flex fuel sensor, so the Cobb dude would, you know, tell him what it was. Unfortunately, Cobb still has a lock for the 08 through 14 WRX. So what we're going to do is buy a flex fuel sensor and ethanol gauge, and we're going to run a gauge and probably put it down here, because I don't know where else to put it, and I don't want nothing else up here, and, or maybe right here. Either put it right here, I know it's dark so you probably can't see, like right over here next to the clock, or down here, something like that, just so we can keep eye on it ourselves. I'm going to get that ordered soon to go with the build. Super excited. We're going to go ahead and top it off, because go ahead and top off with gas tonight, because I gotta stop off and wash the car in the morning before heading to cars and coffee. So let's go ahead and make that happen real quick. They said rev it. They didn't think I'd do it. Oh, the curve is being blocked by 9 people using corn. Oh god, that was gonna pull out in front of me. Okay, not cool. People with trailers who block up both lanes to fill up your truck. I hope you stump your toe in the middle of the night. I don't know when this will get old, guys. This is super cool. As a poor boy from a poor area in Virginia, to have even a hint of a garage is a blessing. And I'd like to thank my wife for that, because without her, I wouldn't have nothing that I have. We do everything as a team, and that's the way it's supposed to be. But I'll check in with y'all in the morning. I'm gonna go catch some Z's. It's late, and I gotta be up at 6 to not be late to cars and coffee. So
that's the end of this video. Peace.
It's not the end of the video, it's the end of the day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
The next morning.
I'm at a loss for words, guys. At a loss for words. So, went to go to Cars and Coffee this morning. Just taking a look at a Subaru after doing our pulls last night. And it happened. They blew a head gasket. God damn it. It happened. I've owned 3 Subarus modified to different power levels. Had them all for years. This one I have had the longest. And she finally bit me in the ass. Right in the fucking ass. So, when we got back last night, and I was checking over the car. The coolant reservoir was overflowing and spilled out over here. Pop it open. See that? That's not supposed to be there. I don't think it blew on the oil side. Could be wrong. It looks like it's exhaust gases. Then, like it blew on the exhaust side, and exhaust gases are pressurizing the coolant system. So what that means, we won't be waiting till winter to put this in. It's going to be happening much sooner. I'll be sending those logs from last night to Alex, and I'm going to let him know, like, hey man, car pulled great, did good. Just popped the head gasket. I mean, we was pushing 24 pounds of boost, you know, so it's like 5 pounds more than we were. More timing, you know, all the good shit. Make more power, and it happens. I mean, I expected it to happen at some point. There's not literally 2 pulls on, not with 2 pulls on E85. I wasn't expecting it to be that quick. So, go ahead, flame me in the comments. Subaru suck. They blew head gaskets. Blah 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 blah. Bro, we putting down double the stock power already. I mean, shit happens. Take you anything and you double the stock power, you lower its reliability, and that's what we did. But that's also why we have this dope ass set up to get ready to go in there. It's an IAG 750 block. titanium retainers, beehive springs, to refresh the head. Obviously the better oil pan, pickup tube, Koyo red radiator. Got the IAG 1200cc injectors on the way with fuel rails, so we're going to switch it from running in series to running parallel, which will also help, you know, longevity, all that good shit. All the things I was planning on doing on this big build, just was expecting, you know, what we had to last a little bit longer. I was hoping wintertime, but that did not happen. That is not the case. We were not fortunate enough to make it that long. But, dude, I put 20,000 miles on this build, so, I mean, I can't be that mad about it. Like, I mean, she's lasted a hot minute, turbo, like, the whole build since, you know, we've been running this build for 2 years now. So, I mean, there are some people who go out there and do 50 pulls on the drag strip, and they stay in there fucking 50 grand building another engine and shit. We'd probably done 100 pulls over 2 years, and she's held up well, so... We'll be back, bigger and stronger, but makes cars and coffee and shit we actually make it to. We'll be at the GTI. Still a cool car, just not a series. Big sad, big sad, but it happened.